Good morning po. Morning. Welcome to DPWH Sorsogon 2nd District Engineering Office, Payawing, Bulusan, Sorsogon. Scheduled for today's opening of bids are the following. First is RFQ number 2025-08-106, supply of labor and parts of the repair, replacement, and installation of thermostat, oil pressure sensor, and temperature sensor, DPWH Sorsogon 2nd DEO, Barangay Payawing, Bulusan, Sorsogon. 25FL0114, construction of legislative building, Bulusan, Sorsogon, and 25FL0108, construction of multipurpose building, core shelter, Barangay Población Sur, Barcelona, Sorsogon. So today is August 28, 2025, and present here are the following. Levi Pura Jr., Back Chairman.
Present.
Dave Clint B. Almilla, Back Vice Chairman. Erwin S. N. Sinares, Back Member.
Present.
Joanna C. Calagos, Back Member.
Present.
Chloe F. Valeros, Back Member. Present. Jesalu R. Almilla, TWG Head.
Present.
Melody P. Navarro, Back Secretariat.
Present.
Ruby Anyao, Back Secretariat. Marisa Isico, Back Secretariat. Ariel Padcho, Back Secretariat. Dian Albay, IT Representative. Glenn Inicio, Back Secretariat. Nathaniel B. Alegre, Back Secretariat. And Rebecca D. Labalan, Back Secretariat. Mr. Chair, meron na po tayong quorum and wala po tayong representative from contractor and supplier.
Okay, since the quorum was declared, this bid opening is now called to order.
Mr. Chair, unahin po natin ang request for quotation, ang RFQ natin. RFQ 2025-08-106, supply of labor and parts for the repair, replacement, and installation of thermostat, oil pressure sensor, and temperature sensor, office equipment, DPWH Sorsogon 2nd DO, location, Payawing, Bulusan, Sorsogon. Approved budget for the contract is 85,000 pesos. Mr. Chair, for this contract po, request po tayo ng quotation sa tatlong supplier. However, isa lang po ang bumalik sa atin. Ito po ay galing from KFP Marketing, Barangay Buhatan East District, Sorsogon City. Ito po yung kanyang bid, properly labeled, sealed, and signed. Na-request sa Back Secretariat to please open it.
Anong bid? 28.
Mr. Chair, request for quotation po ni KFP Marketing with attached DTI valid until March 7, 2027. Tax clearance valid until March 3, 2026. Field job certificate of registration valid until June 27, 2026. Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2025, Sorsogon City. Team certificate of registration. Annual income tax return filed March 28, 2025. Omnibus sworn statement signed and notarized. Special power of attorney. Bid amount 82,840 pesos only.
Let's proceed to our infra projects po. Contract ID number 25FL0108. May we request the Back Secretariat to please retrieve their bids from the bid box. The contract name is construction of multi-purpose building for shelter, Barangay Población Sur, Barcelona, Sorsogon. Location is Barangay Población Sur, Barcelona, Sorsogon, with contract duration of 285 calendar days and an approved budget for the contract or ABC of 59,400,000 pesos only. So ito po ang kanilang bids, properly labeled, sealed, and signed. For this contract po, Mr. Chair, this back office received 2 bids manually and wala pong nag-submit through our electronic submission. May we request the back secretariat to please open their bids. The 2 bidders who submitted their bids manually are the following. Number 1, FESCO Incorporated from Quirino Province. And number 2, Alhadrax Construction and Supply from DPWH Sorsogon. Let's proceed opening their technical proposal po. Okay na po ang checklist for INFRA. While we are opening their technical proposal, may we request the back secretariat to please simultaneously process their eligibility requirements through our civil works application. First bidder for 25FL0108 is FESCO Incorporated. Bid securing declaration, signed and notarized. Field debts, registration, platinum membership. Contractors organizational chart for the contract, signed. Contractor certification on key personnel for the contract. List of key personnel proposed to be assigned to the contract, signed. Supported by key personnel's affidavit of commitment to work on the contract, signed and notarized. Their nominated accredited project engineer for this contract is Francisco M. Sawali. Accredited po. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract. With minimum material testing equipment. Signed. With attached proof of ownership. Omnibus sworn statement. Signed and notarized. Secretary certificate, NFCC, integrity pledge. Next bidder is Alhadrax Construction and Supply. Bid securing declaration, signed and notarized. ISO certificate. Contractors organizational chart for the contract, signed. List of contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract with their qualification data, signed. With statement of availability of key personnel and key personnel's affidavit of commitment to work on the contract, signed and authorized. Their nominated accredited project engineer for this contract is Jonathan D. San Juan. Accredited. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract. signed with attached proof of ownership. List of minimum material testing equipment with attached proof of ownership. Affidavit of site inspection. Omnibus sworn statement signed and notarized. Bid Bulusan. Mr. Chair, we have finished opening their technical proposal, and I have here with me the result of their eligibility requirements processed through our Civil Works application. And upon careful evaluation po, it was found that both bidders passed their eligibility and technical requirements. So I move to declare both bidders, PESCO Incorporated and Alhadrax Construction and Supply, as eligible to participate in the bidding of 25 FL0108.
Second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Okay, please proceed to the opening document of proposal.
For financial proposal, first bidder is PESCO Incorporated. Bid form. Summary of bid prices. Bill of quantities. Detailed estimates. Summary of unit prices. And cash flow. Bid amount. 58,769,343 pesos and 33 centavos. 58,769,343 pesos and 33 centavos only. No discount offered po. Next is Alhadrax Construction and Supply. Bid form, summary of bid prices, bill of quantities, detailed estimates, summary of unit prices, cash flow. Bid amount is 58,212,000 pesos only. 58,212,000 pesos only. No discount offered po. Our last contract for today's opening of bid is 25 FL0114. May we request the Back Secretariat to please retrieve their bids from the bid box. The contract name is Construction of Legislative Building, Bulusan, Sorsogon. Location is Bulusan, Sorsogon. Contract duration is 283 calendar days, and an approved budget for the contract or ABC of 49,500,000 pesos only. For this contract po, Mr. Chair, this back office received only one bid lang po, manually, and wala pong nag-submit through our electronic submission. May we request the Back Secretariat to please open their bid po. The only bidder who submitted their bid for this contract is PESCO Incorporated from Quirino Province. Technical proposal. While we are opening their technical proposal, may we request the Back Secretariat to simultaneously process their eligibility requirements through our Civil Works application. PESCO Incorporated. Bid securing declaration, signed and notarized. Projects, platinum membership. Clearance. Organizational chart for the contract, signed. Contractor certification on key personnel for the contract. List of key personnel proposed to be assigned to the contract, signed. Key personnel's affidavit of commitment to work on the contract, signed and they are nominated. Accredited project engineer for this contract is Francisco M. Sawan. Accredited. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract, supported by certification of availability. Included na po ang minimum material testing equipment. Signed. With attached proof of ownership and certification of availability of equipment. Omnibus sworn statement, signed and notarized. Secretary certificate. Integrity pledge. Mr. Chair, we have finished opening their technical proposal and I have here with me the result of their eligibility requirements processed through our civil works application, and upon careful evaluation po, it was found that FESCO Incorporated passed the eligibility requirement. So I move to declare FESCO Incorporated as eligible to participate in the bidding of 25 FL 0114.
Second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Will this proceed to the proposal?
Financial proposal of FESCO Incorporated. Bid form. Summary of bid prices. Bid of quantities. Detailed estimates. Cash flow. And summary of unit prices. Bid amount. 48,979,932 pesos and 86 centavos only. 48,979,932 pesos and 86 centavos. No discount offer. Mr. Chair, we have finished opening all the bids scheduled for today.
Reminders, all submitted documents will be evaluated. The head of the procuring entity has authority to reject bids if bidding failure or not award contracts under specific conditions outlined in Section 41 of the IRR of Republic Act 9184. Members of the Bids and Awards Committee, Staff Secretariat, Working Group, and observers are prohibited from communicating with bidders regarding bid evaluation until the notice of award is issued. However, the Bank Secretariat can request written clarifications from bidders regarding the bids, and all responses must also be in writing. Pero kung tanong, since we have no more matters to discuss, this bid opening is now adjourned.